Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, as you can see, my hair is out of the braids, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to pull off the finger coils. Like, I'm going to go in depth of how I did it. This is my hair, still needs to dry, but yeah, I love how the finger coils came out. Still need to get this part right. But yeah, stay tuned, you'll see in the next videos. I'll show you how I pulled off my finger coils. I'm happy the way it came out actually. I don't do finger coils often, but yeah, decided to do it today because I got a bit of tired. I got tired of my just my normal curls, so I decided to do finger coils. Loving it. So yeah, don't forget to like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at Tams and Thomas, and I also have a Facebook page called All Things Curly. So please, and I really hope you enjoy the video, so stay tuned. As you can see, I've already done this side and some of my hair this side, so I just got this piece to do, which is I'm gonna make a middle part, so everything is gonna go this way like this. So yeah, what I've been using, where is it now? What I will be using is the Aunt Jackie's the curling custard. Just not gonna use this much. Wait, more. This much. I'm just gonna apply it on my hair, on my ends. And then I'm applying some aloe vera juice on my hair, just to make the hair a bit wet. And then I'm gonna section this hair, and I'm gonna just work in the product. And as I'm working in the product, I'm taking a small section of my hair, taking my pointy finger, wrapping it around, and this is my base, so I'm just gonna go right around, turn it around me, and I'm gonna go down until the ends. I'm just wrapping it around my finger, my pointer finger, and then I'm just making it curly. So that's how I do it. So until I get the form that I want of the finger coil, and this is how it looks. That's how it looks. Next section, just taking a small piece. It honestly depends on how big or how small you want your finger coils. I'm just going for a messy look and just trying to get done. So you don't want to start from here, otherwise this part is going to be flat. So you're going to start from wrapping my finger. You're going to start from the root, closest as possible to the root, and you're going to work it down. You can even stop and just take the hair again. You just go again. So I'm taking my finger and I'm going down, right round, down to the ends. You can make it tight, because the tighter the finger coil is, the better it is. And if your hair feels dry like this, just take your aloe vera water or your spritzing bottle water with water in, and you just go down again with it. And you see, I'm just turning around my finger. So I'm just basically wrapping my pointy finger around. And if it feels loose, you can just always go back in and you can do it. I'm gonna take my finger, I'm wrapping it around the hair, and as I'm going down, I'm turning my finger. So you have to turn it until you come by the ends. You can hold the ends like this and just go again. And then boom, twirling. Okay, okay, I'm gonna start again. Taking my finger, twirling it around this hair, and I'm twirling. Oh, the hair keeps coming in. Okay, I'm twirling. Ends is a bit dry, so I'm taking my spritz bottle and just spritzing the ends. And boom. Let me just fix this one because fix this one because it did spoil as I was twirling my hair. So my ends feels a bit dry. Don't worry, I got you. I'm taking from the on jackets again, and I'm just gonna go rub it in, and I'm just gonna go in with my. Gonna go in. And with the pieces that looks really dry, I'm going to just twirl it. Just fix my hair. Yeah, that's the final look. Happy. Obviously my hair still has to get dry, but happy with the results. Okay, there you go. Finger coils in, ready for the weekend. Yep. And like tonight if you sleep and it spoils, you can just like refreshen it up with water, or you can spritz your aloe vera juice on. I'm just gonna spritz my hair one more time. Ooh, okay, done. Happy? Guys, I swear my hair looks so much better in the mirror than in the video. But yeah, I'm done with my finger coils.